if you want to see the impact of not understanding what you're doing and not getting out at the right times, I'll use myself as an example. That was my first year in crypto. That is what an overexposed crypto portfolio looks like. I was, I think, 80 to 90% invested in cryptos, and I took a 62% loss in 1 year. I think that was actually overall, including the drops of December, it was closer to like an 80% drop. That was rough. And ever since that, I sort of used that as a learning experience. I completely rebalanced my portfolio, and that's why my 2018 and 2017 years are pretty much like it's miles away from anything close to resembling what my current strategy is. And that's why I'll never quote these stats. I'll never say I made 165% in 2017 because I was way overexposed to crypto. I'll never say I made 62% loss in 2018 because I was way overexposed to crypto. This is where I completely rebalanced my strategy and actually started taking profits and making plays that I needed to. Just in case you guys ever do see me only quoting the last 3 years, that's the reason, because anything before that has no correlation to my current strategy. So it's sort of a bit disingenuous if I say, oh, I made 165% in 2017.